Hello and welcome to another MBO Quick Tut. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to fill in the section and description information on the page ladder that will help in planning of your yearbook pages. Filling out the page ladder will help you and staff with a game plan of what you would like to create on your pages. This will also help if you have opted for one of our in-house services helping to create your book. To fill out the section and description fields, hover your mouse about a ½ inch or an inch to the right of the word section description, and then click in this open space. The fields to type in your information will then appear. From here, type in what information you need it to be. Examples of section information could be title page, or this could be staff pages, class pages, or candid pages. Any section you need it to be. Examples of description information could be fun pages or class pages. That is going to be the grade of a page. Once you have your information filled into the page ladder, to save it, go up here to the upper left and click the Save All button. And here is how you easily fill out the page ladder to help with the planning of your yearbook. Thank you for viewing our tutorial. For more tutorials and videos that will help with yearbook creation, please check out our channel on YouTube, Memory Book Company Technical Support. Thanks again.